Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a great day and a great start to the new year. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I'm giving you a tour of my office space. So if you want to see how I've put my space together, just keep on watching. Now this space is my daughter's old bedroom that I have transformed into an office where I do my everyday activities. Let's go inside. Now upon entering the room, you'll see my desk and that backdrop that you have seen in a few videos lately, maybe 2 or 3 videos so far. So this, guys, is actually where I do all my work, like my 9 to 5, because I do work from home, and where I do all my editing and some of my videos that I shoot, again, with this backdrop. So I had to make it a space that's comfortable for me and a space that I would always want to be in. Even though, like I said, this is my office where I do my everyday work, I still wanted to add an element of fun to it, and I think this definitely does that for me. So as you can see, I'm using sheer curtains and basically Christmas lights for this backdrop. The wall is black. It's always been black. I didn't have to change the color when I came in. My daughter already had it painted, as you can see, gray with a black accent wall. What I did, I put my backdrop stand up here. Place the curtain on it, and I got this at IKEA, guys, for like $5. I'm talking the sheer curtain. Really pretty. And then what I did was I just put the string lights on the wall like that. Nothing fancy. I just kind of put them up and down as I see fit to give me like a nice little pattern when I put the curtains down. Absolutely gorgeous. And if the wall was white, I would use white lights, like white string lights, but the green was perfect because the wall's black, so it's not as noticeable when you walk in the room and you're looking at the backdrop. So that's how the backdrop was created. And from time to time, you'll probably see me change it. Sometimes I'll have the lights, sometimes I won't have it, depending on the video that I'm doing. Now, one of the first things that you see when you walk in the office as well is this Believe sign. This was thrifted years ago for like $3.99. And I want to make sure that that's the first thing I see when I open the door, because it puts me in that mindset of being able to achieve anything that I want to do. So you dream it, believe it, achieve it. I have my coffee mug here with my initial on it, my laptop, and just a nice little bouquet of flowers. And I like to keep my desk really clean and simple because, like I said, when I'm working, I don't want all the extra stuff like the trays and the pen holders and stuff in my way. So I keep it as clear as possible. I have a drawer here where I have all my extra stuff like my scissors, my pens, and notebooks. That's my work phone right there, and all the stuff that I need, so to keep my desktop clutter-free. The side of my desk has an opening, which is really a bookshelf, but as you can see, I have books among other things on there, which are just some, vases and stuff that I have just put in to kind of occupy that space, because I do a lot of my reading, or most of my reading, online, so I do not have that many books. Now, if you've been with me for a while, you'll know the story behind this chair. I love this chair so much, and everything in here was basically built around the chair. I saw this chair in Buffalo a while ago, did not have my truck with me, couldn't take it with me. I think it was like $80, like it was a steal, ridiculously priced in TJ Maxx. So what I did, my husband said, let's go get the truck and we'll go back and pick up the chair tomorrow. And that is exactly what I did. This is an absolutely beautiful chair, and it works well in this space. Now I've incorporated some of my DIYs in my space. And on this wall next to my desk, you'll see these DIYs that I did last year using all Dollar Tree items. These are charger plates with the Dollar Tree mirrors with the elephant head that I found in the toy section sticking out of it. And I will leave a link below, that way you can check that video out. On the other side of the wall is another DIY I did, another Dollar Tree DIY with these mirrors, all from the Dollar Tree. And I did a little bit of embellishments to the ones in the center. And I can also leave you a link below so you can check this one out as well. But these two DIYs are on either side of my desk. Let's move around the room a little bit. Now moving from that wall, I have added to the other side a couple of wall decor that I got from the Dollarama. This one says chic, this one says love, and that's really to help me tie in the pink from the chair. This door here is a door that leads to the bathroom. And we're moving to the other side of the room, which is my chill spot. So here I have this beautiful lounge chair. This is where I chill. If I'm on a break, I will lay here, cover up with my throw. It's very comfortable, and my younger daughter is always in here taking over my space. But I love her, so it's all good. And right on the wall above that, I've added these two mirrors that you have seen in so many different forms and fashion. You have seen them on the wall. You have seen them as trays. You have seen them as chargers. They are so multi-purpose, but for right now, they're going to be on the wall. Don't be surprised if you see them in another video doubling as something else. And on here, I've just added, like I said, my throw and two pillows to tie in with my color scheme. Now the windows, I do have plantation shutters, but I just wanted to add curtains in the event I wanted to kind of pull them up, close them a little bit, make the room a little bit more cozy. But I have these Greek key curtains. I've had them for a very long time. At some point they were in my living room, but I moved them up here. There are 4 of them, and I kind of, you know, pulled them all the way together from the window in case I want to open the blinds and kind of peek out to see what's happening. Okay, so now let's take a look at what I see when I'm laying on my lounge. There is a little cleft in the wall right over here that I have this stand. It's really a TV stand. I've had it for, I want to say like 25 years. This stand that all these things are sitting on, that was one of the first things my husband and I bought when we got married. Right above it, you'll see this C, which was a DIY that I did also. And on the top of the stand, I have my beautiful golden tiara tray with another Dollar Tree DIY with this perfume bottle that I did. It's accompanied by some vases. Moving down, that love sign is another Dollar Tree DIY, and that other smaller perfume bottle. And then that was the other perfume bottle. Again, Dollar Tree DIY. So this room beautifully displays a lot of my Dollar Tree DIYs that I have done. So guys, when I'm lounging, taking a break or whatever, I'm not just laying there. I'm looking at the TV. I'm watching TV. And as you can see, there's a home renovation thing going on right now, and that's generally what I'm watching. This piece right here, you know too well if you have been with me for any time as well. This is a dresser that I got from the Goodwill for $40. I spray painted it and changed the handles to gold. And on top of it, I have this candelabra with a pineapple. And this beautiful, beautiful frame that I got from Divine Inspirations by Martha. I won a basket from her last year. And this was an item that was in it that I absolutely love. And it just goes well with my color scheme, with that shoe, with the pink box. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. So I've just kept it that way. And on the other side, there's a picture of me in a frame, another pineapple, and a candle stand. And unfortunately, my husband says I have to keep the box here, which is actually occupying good decor space, but because I want to watch on TV, I'll just go ahead and just keep the box up there. Who knows? I may bedazzle it at some point. I'm just kidding, y'all. Yeah, so that's it, guys. I'll give you a pan around. So that's the door that I walked in. That's a closet. There's a mirror also on the wall. You know, a girl got to check herself out sometimes. The door to the bathroom. The walls, the backdrop. My desk. Lounge area. And we are back to where the TV is. All right, guys, so that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. And if this is your first time seeing my channel, I really do appreciate you coming by to check me out, and would love for you to become a part of the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And don't you forget to hit that notification bell, y'all. That way you are the first to know when I upload a video. And until my next video, and to all my lovely penny pinchers, this is your glamorous penny pincher Shalom is saying, love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.